gonna make a simple little marinade here for my salmon and scallop kebabs. Actually, let me just take a handful of these out. I'm gonna do something with those really special. A little white wine, a little lemon juice, a little shallots, a little salt, a little pepper. Let's just mix those around. So I've cut them all the same size for even cooking. It's gonna work really well on the grill. Soaked bamboo skewers. This will help so no burning really takes place when we get on the grill. Remember those scallops? Let's have a little fun with them. We're gonna just make a little blanket here. Some prosciutto, nice smoky Italian cured ham. Just a little, that's it. How easy was that? Just gonna get these onto a skewer. Let's just do 2 of those. Soaked wooden skewer. Do. Simple. This is a take on a classic, scallop and bacon. I'm just using some prosciutto. Now some high heat grilling. Let's get this over. Now, 1 steamboat, 2 steamboat. If you can't get the 5 steamboats, it's too hot. Let's first get some oil on. Now we spent all this time marinating. Want to make sure nothing sticks to this grill. All right, let's get our salmon and our scallops on. Beautiful. This will only take 2 minutes per side. Let's get these on. Let's not forget about our prosciutto wrap. These will also take no time at all. As soon as the prosciutto starts to caramelize a little bit, they can come right off because the scallops will be medium rare. Perfect. Look at all those beautiful char marks. Another flip for these prosciutto. Beautiful.